Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Razr 5G and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter. Let's tap on Start Chat, and as you can see here we've got the settings icon, so let's tap on it. Let's choose languages, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously added languages and we've got only English right now. So in order to add new one, tap on Add Keyboard. And as you can see here we've got the full list of languages from which we can choose. We've got a lot of options to choose from. So let me pick something, maybe Assyrian. Just tap on the one you want to use, and if you've got some options in region section, then tap on the one you want to use. Click on Done. And as you can see, it immediately appears on our list. Now let's get back to the keyboard. As you can see, now we are still in the previous keyboard. What's more, on the spacebar we've got the name of currently using language, and next to it we've got the globe icon. So now I'm typing English, but after tapping on this globe icon I can easily switch to another language. Let's tap on it again, and again I'm typing English. So now let me show you how to remove the language. Just go back to the settings, tap on languages and click on this edit icon. Tap on the one you want to remove and click on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, it immediately disappears. Let's get back to the keyboard again. And as you can see, now we've got no globe icon, so it means that we can only type in English. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Motorola Razr 5G. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.